Croatian AB 2,850 euro net, Italian flag Roro 37,000 to 67,000 tons to embark in Italy, very close to Croatia, 1,110. ABs, able seafarers with experience on board ROPAX, Roros from Croatia. The ships are being brought to your backyard. Italy is joining place, and we have the ships trading between Italy and Spain, Mediterranean trade, on and off, easy thing. 2,850, you need to have the certificate 2.5 or the 2.4. Please, Croatian authorities, think about issuing this, because we could be talking about a huge volume of seafarers. There are 6,204 ratings in Croatia, according EMSA. Please think about giving these jobs. 1 direct equals 10 indirect for Croatia. So multiply this 2,850 euro net position. The seafarers would be 3 months, 4 months, and then 50% home holidays paid whilst on board. 2,850, dear government, times, let's say, how many seafarers? Let's say 1,000. Okay, 1,000, that's per month 2.8 million euros to Croatia. All this crew would have Italian social security, pension, unemployment, and all that. And then this is just per month. Multiply the intrinsic value, dear Croatian government. Yes, because in Spain it's August, they have holidays. So take over this opportunity, Croatian government, and issue these certificates and train the ratings. We need them 1,000, of course, yes, but apply urgently. Crew inspector in Candina, thank you very much indeed. Not necessary English, so like and subscribe, pass through all the WhatsApps and Instagrams and blog group these videos. And so, because it's only basic Italian needed, thank you very much indeed. Bye.